COHO is integrated into the bagging process as a part of the vacuum system and focuses on proactive flow-based leak detection rather than traditional reactive vacuum-based leak detection. Flow-based leak detection allows for identifying leaks earlier in the process, provides real-time feedback to crews working on the bag, and in the case of COHO, can guide workers to the area of the leak. To see the benefits of flow, we can examine the two processes. In a standard bagging procedure, after air is evacuated from a part, a vacuum gauge is used to measure for leaks in the bag. When a leak is present, air enters and accumulates under the bag, resulting in a decrease in vacuum level, signaling a problem to the operator. Additionally, on very large parts, the large volume under the bag can make vacuum decay tests less sensitive. In this case, operators can assume that their vacuum bag is better than it truly is. With flow-based leak detection, the rate of airflow is being continually monitored while air is being evacuated from the bag. If a leak is present, this rate will remain constant until the leak is corrected. Once flow rates are zero, there is no new air entering the bag, and the operator can be confident that the part will pass the vacuum decay test. Flow and vacuum are powerful complements, and COHO integrates and records both as a part of Convergent's pursuit of smart factory technology. This data gives manufacturers a new level of insight into their processes and offers practical solutions to real-world problems. COHO has a variety of features to make vacuum bagging a reliable, repeatable, and efficient process. Please watch our other videos for more information or visit our website at www.convergent.ca.